Hello everyone, and welcome to watch the Surveyor tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to input a horizontal curve. Horizontal curves generally consist of lines, circular curves, and transition curves. There are 5 main points: LT, TC, CC, CT, TL. There are also some special points, such as begin point, end point, tangent point. Example: the PI point, which is the point of intersection, marks the point where the back and forward tangent intersect. Intersecting angle alpha, the deflection angle at the PI. Radius, the radius of the circle of which the curve is an arc. PC, which is the point of curvature, the point where the circular curve begins. The back tangent is tangent to the curve at this point. The PT, which is the point of tangency, the end of a curve. The forward tangent is tangent to the curve at this point. Length of curve, which is LC, the distance from the TC to the CT, measured along the curve. Tangent distance, which is the T, is the distance along the tangent from the PI to the PC or PT. This distance are equal on a simple curve. Length of transition, which is LS. Length of the sprayer transition in feet from the LT to the LC. In the software, there is LS1 and LS2. Now, let's dive into menu enter. To input a simple curve, the surveyor needs 3 Hawley parameters: PI coordinate, radius, and the length of transition. The surveyor usually snatch these parameters from the road blueprint. Now let's get hands-on in the Surveyor app. First, we need to open the Surveyor app. In the project interface, we need to create a new road. Test 1. Select the PI mask and click the Save. After this, click the horizontal curve. Secondly, click this button to kick off the curve input. Start with the begin point. This is a simple curve, and the following text description is also based on this example. The begin point should be on a straight line LT TL point. Enter the begin station and coordinate. Then click Save to complete input for the begin point. Next is the PI. Select the next PI from the blueprint. We need to input the related information below. Radius LS1. These parameters are the transition curve life partners. Enter according to the blueprint. After inputting, click Save, and we can see the PI station is same of the blueprint. Continue inputting all the PIs following the blueprint until the end of the route. Confirm if the PI station matches the station on the blueprint at each input. If the PI station matches, it generally means your input is correct. The endpoint should be on a straight line. Now you can see the endpoint station on the software is same as the blueprint endpoint station. If things go highway, switch to the line element must. The above is the input and calculation must for simple curves. If you don't want to manually input, you can click the endpoint. You can click the endpoint button in the upper right corner and use a fixed format Excel to import the parameter of the flat curve. Saving the tedious manual input, the following are specific instructions for the input format. The begin point station. The begin point coordinate x, y. The PI name coordinate x, y. ARS1, ARS2, A1, A2, radius. Now, example and the endpoint x, endpoint y.